my beautiful people. Is there one and only? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My Bonga people, today's topic now about one girl wey just cry out say e papa like my darling people. Sometimes I go dey wonder for some men. Before I go start this video, I beg more than subscribe, and thumbs up, I beg. But I always leave good comments. And I know say sometimes not be the way, as in sometimes the way some people they leave comments and the thing go they shocktalize me, you understand? So my darling people, today's topic now about a young girl wey just cry out say he papa the jogodo with am ever since. He say he papa like seriously. My darling people, sometimes I go dey wonder if some men they okay. What they go attract you now for your daughter body, your own daughter, like your own daughter. What they go attract you? What they go even make your own daughter dey your eye? Like the thing they shocktalize me sometimes. What they go make your own daughter go see they attract you? Now wow, not the way Musa not go see forget, my darling people. What they go make your own daughter go see they attract you? Like seriously, are you people okay? So men, me I don't understand. This small girl now don't cry out say he want make they really bring his papa to book. He said because his papa don't they do this thing to him ever since he not see person cry am too. Like I don't understand though. If you want carry side chick or you want cheat on the mama, why you not go outside go carry? What you come make your own daughter, even though your daughter even naked for your presence, it's supposed make your walking stick even get up. It's supposed be that your logo wey be say no get sense, make it even get up. Why your body go even get up for your pikin? Like this sometimes I know they understand some men though, my people. As in when I see this video, the thing surprise me. What you go make your own daughter, like your own daughter, they attract you? Ah, now wow, my darling people. As I see this video, the thing it shocktalized me 10 times. The thing surprised me because I don't know why your own pikin now go they attract your own pikin. Ah, now what this one not good for a year. As in this one not even good for a year to talk like seriously, really. The thing they shocktalize me. What you go make your own daughter? Other than do I attract to where of you where for that matter? Ah, not the way Musa no go see forget. Not the way Musa no go see forget to my darling people. As in when I see the video, the thing shocktalized me 10 times. The thing shocked me. Say God. Agbona I don't iwaje, agbona iwaria. What it can they happen for this world? This world is coming to an end. I'll be waiting. We go make somebody just sit down, say na young pikin and I will come they attract him. Me, I never see this kind of thing before. Like the thing there, it shocktalized me. The thing shocked me. I don't know what does it something shock. It shocked them. Like it shocked me. So the girl now, they say maybe the girl don't know what they do. The man come they ask and say, "Are you sure? Say you know what you they talk?" He say yes. He know what in the talk. He can say 1 plus 2 plus 2. The girl can't answer. He say okay. He say because the thing they surprise them. My darling people, make I put I go put the video more than listing where the girl for the talk. When I understand.
My daddy has been sleeping with me for long, and whenever I try to say it, he threatened to kill me. Sometimes before he sleeps with me, he used knife. And he used to drive me. My daddy has been sleeping midnight if I refuse to sleep. And whenever I try, sometimes I used to sleep. Threaten to kill me.
Are you with your senses?
Yes, I'm with my senses.
2 plus 2.
And he used to drive me out.
You said your father is doing what? Where were your mommy?
Are you with your senses?
At home?
Yes. Even though if my dad sent me out, she will just sleep inside out. She won't even. She's not even choose brother. She sleep inside.
What did you want the government of Ondo State or the government of Nigeria to do for you now?
I want that sent me out.
To fight for your
Just
right.
sleep inside out. She won't even. She's not.
What's your name?
Brother, my name is Fatima. She sleep inside.
What did you want the government of Ondo State or the government of Nigeria to do for you now?
I want them to fight for my right.
To fight for your right. Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Fatima.
Fatima what?
Osman.
They want make the government make a fight for him. As in make dem fight for am so that make dem arrest the papa, because that man they really need to arrest him. Because I never see a man wey mumu pass this papa. Me, I never see for this world. I never see a man wey mumu pass this girl papa. How can a man go just dey alive say na your own pikin na I go come dey your eye to come dey jogodo with your own pikin? This life is coming, this world is coming to an end. That be waiting. Eh? Then even they ask Kana say where mama dey dey. Now be some mother una no dey read like they care for una pikin really. You know they even look your pikin, check am whether anything. Eh? You dey house there your pikin. I know say not be everybody they know finish, but at least he say you dey house. As you dey house, you don't even come cash am one day. Like the thing this thing just dey like the thing they irritate me. How can a man go just sit down say that your own pikin and you want the joke your own pikin? As in, you not gonna see if you want those carry side chick. Why you don't just go outside go carry side chick? We be saying that your own pikin come the day your eye. If you just go outside, go carry side chick. Eh? Just go carry the if they vote they cash you. It better pass say you can't just sit down saying that your own pikin and you want on the jogodo with. Like my darling people, this one is shock me. This one shockalize me, like seriously. It shockalize me. Eh? Who will just sit down, saying that your pikin and you want on the jogodo with. You see, get one small girl we cry at that time too. We say if papa the jogodo with him too. Now so people they think say that girl don't know what they talk that time. It's a girl, just small girl. Papa say, I used to play with her. He said they go dey inside bed, they go dey play, then go touch her. And you go dey play with your pikin for that kind of play. Now you be boyfriend. You tell your pikin, you see touch her, you go see touch you. I say, this man dey okay. The one we can't even pay me pass the girl say, he go say bring his friends come to me. Friends come see jogodo with the pikin. I go say, this man not dey okay. I be here don't correct. I be me. I don't understand. You carry your friend make on the jogodo with your own pikin. After you don't finish, you say make them still enter. Now God then save that one that time. If not, they for vandalize as in kaput that one finish. My darling people, like this word, make them really fight for this thing. You know, good. Make your own pikin they attract you. I did that day where they human rights that the way one woman cry and say, they ask a human rights say, that they do this kind. When they do case for Germany, say yes. He say in your husband the jogodo with the pikin ever since. He say not see anybody wait for because now we boy marry. He say is any cause where they go now they do a wuru because now their own. He say so he want maybe people fight for him. I shocked. I say God, your own pikin. Say don't tell we say if they go work, the man will just carry just almost vandalize the young pikin for his house before the woman can finally cash her. But they do a wuru because they not be Jama that the woman be. So my darling people, I beg, what you wanna think about this video? I beg, wanna leave on a comment or wanna advise those our men there. Make that they carry their job almost they stay one place. I beg my darling people. Thank you. Bye everybody. Bye.